Good morning, students. Now, today your topic is wildlife, extinct and endangered animals, and wildlife trade. Now, you have known that what is wildlife. Wildlife are those animals and plants which live and grow in their natural surrounding. Now you have known that what are the plants, we do not grow them, and they are growing in the nature. We do not give them water, we do not give them food, we do not give them fertilizer, but they are growing. Now who is nourishing them? That is nature. Nature is nourishing them. Now that plants are the wildlife. You see that cat, dog, monkeys, all are growing, all their young ones are growing in the nature. We are not nourishing them, we do not give them food and water or what they need in their lives, but they are growing. So now who is supporting them to live, to grow? That nature supports them to grow, to live a life on the earth. So now these animals, that is monkeys, tigers, elephant, lizard, snake, these are the wildlife because they are living in nature, they are growing themselves, that is nature support them to survive on the earth. Now they are the wildlife. At first wildlife come on our earth before reaching us. हम लोगों के पहले कौन अर्थ पे आया था? पहले वाइल्ड लाइफ आए थे. जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स, they had come on the earth before human beings. Now they have the much right to live on earth before us. What is the right to live on our earth for human beings? Wildlife live that right, that they have much right from us to live on earth. Now, but what are happening here? Human beings cut their plants, cut their home. Plants are the living place, that is forest is the living place for them, but human beings are cutting down the trees indiscriminately, blindly. They are not thinking about their home. Now those plants and animals do not get the favorable condition, and in changed environment, in changed condition, they are not able to survive on the earth. Ultimately their species are extincted. Understand? Now many species of animals and plants are extincted due to absence of their favorable conditions. Human beings are cutting down the forest to survive themselves for their selfish interest, that is growing plants, that is doing agriculture, for establishing factory, for development of our country. Now they are not thinking about the shelter of those animals, those plants which are surviving here. Now these animals or plants are extincted due to absence of their favorable condition. Now the animals species which are no longer living are called the extinct animals. They are not longer living. They are the Tasmanian tiger, kaga, passenger pigeon, golden toad, Caribbean monk, seal. These are the what? Extinct animals. You have listened, that is passenger pigeon. Passenger pigeon carry letter from one place to another place. But today post office sends our letter from one place to another place. But in ancient time, passenger pigeon carried the letters from one place to another place. Now they are not longer living. They are no present here, and they are extincted. Now these like Tasmanian tiger, kaga, golden toad. You are knowing that toad. Toad, bigger frog. That is a golden like brightness. Now they are not present here, and they are extincted because animals were hunting them, and ultimately they were extincted. Now extinct animals are those species of animals which are no longer living. Understand? Now endangered animals. Endangered means what? In danger of becoming extinct. Those animals which are in danger of becoming extinct are called endangered animals. जो क्या है? खतरे में हैं, गायब होने के खतरे में हैं. That is animals like African elephant, Bactrian camel, bald eagle, golden lion, tamarin, and panda. These are in danger of becoming extinct. Now special care is taken by government on for hunting, and these are preserved in the wildlife sanctuary. Now these are in danger in of becoming extinct. Now so these are called the endangered animals. Now Kenya Masai Mara is one of the most famous wildlife sanctuary where wildlife is protected. Now wildlife treat. Many parts of world, wildlife is in danger. Why? Because of many illegal hunting. Illegal hunting and poaching activities. Human beings hunted those animals and take the parts of animals, and they use for trade. So now this is the man habit to do the hunting. Now hunting for what purpose? For selling their body parts, for selling the body parts of animals. So for trading they use the parts of animals, and so they kill the animals. Now this is the killing of animals and use their body parts for trade is called wildlife trade. Understand? Killing of the process of killing of animals by human beings and use the parts of their body for trade is called wildlife trade. As for example, elephants are hunted for their tusk. You know the tusk is used for making comb, making ornaments. Now elephant is hunted for their tusk. South American bears are also killed for their gallbladder. Rhinoceros are slaughtered for their horns. Musk deer is hunted for their kasturi from kasturi. There is a formation of many perfumes. Now, for perfume formation, it is used. Now, a variety of mountain goat is hunted for hairs. For there is पश्मीना wool. You have listened पश्मीना अंगूरा. हाँ, तो यहाँ के पास mountain goats are killed for getting their hairs, for making different varieties of wool. Tiger is killed for their bones and skins. You know that on the skin it is assumed that it is very good, very sacred for worshipping. So now legs of frog is also used for eating. Now caviar, that is the unfertilized egg of fish, is also used for food. So now for these parts of animals, human beings hunted them, and thus there is the extincting of species of animals, and they use these parts for trading, and this is called wildlife trade. Understand? Now homework, write down what do you mean by extinct and endangered animals. What is wildlife trade? Second. Now third, what are the body parts of different animals used for trade? Write down. Okay.